I'm a yoga teacher, and I teach 2 to 3 classes per day, as well as private sessions teaching yoga. I have to carry a lot of stuff with me, but I'm lucky to work in very beautiful studios and have very beautiful students. I'm also a beginner gardener, and in my garden I like to create contemplative spaces where I can sit back and just look. I like to get to my yoga classes early and connect with my students and take some warm-ups. And I think my students really know that I'm dedicated. When I get out in the garden, I'm also dedicated, but a lot of this work is just sort of very grungy, and it's really hard for me to cut things back and let things go. I've been practicing yoga, specifically aside from fitness, for more than 15 years. I love to blend yoga with martial arts, which is something that my teacher also taught me. My teacher, Sufi Fakir, is a great martial artist, and I've learned to use martial arts flow with my yoga vinyasa style. So I try to create some flow in my garden as well, and just love the way the wind will play with the flowers. This is my ivy, Russian sage, alliums, geranium, my heuchera or coral bells. I love them so much. My idea on yoga poses is that they are a place for meditation, and so I also love to teach meditation as well as yoga asana. I think yoga, just like gardening, is really very human.